It's hashtag TriviaTuesday at the Colorado Railroad Museum. This week, our question is, when was the last time the museum ran Galloping Goose motor car number 7 for Saturday train ride service? Don't know the answer? Read the latest issue of the museum's Telegrapher e-newsletter to find out. Participants are invited to submit their responses as a comment on our Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, website, or by email at info@crrm.org. Last video, we received 6 correct responses. Our winner is Luke Superchi, who responded through email.
Like, comment, share, and subscribe.